Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to elevate your culinary game. We're talking about the made in Cookware 3.5 quart stainless steel sauté pan, a pan crafted in Italy, boasting 5-ply stainless clad construction and induction compatibility. Let's start with what immediately stands out. This is a substantial piece of kitchen equipment. The total diameter is 10.5 inches, with a cooking surface diameter of 9.5 inches. It's 4 inches high to the rim, and with the handle, it extends to a generous 21 inches in length. This size is incredibly versatile. It's large enough to sear multiple pieces of chicken or a couple of steaks without overcrowding, making sure you get that beautiful browning. It's also deep enough, at 2.5 inches, to handle sauces, reductions, or even a quick sauté of vegetables without splashing everywhere. The core of what makes this pan special is its 5-ply stainless clad construction. This means it's built with 5 layers of metal. While made in doesn't specify the exact metals in each layer, this construction is the gold standard for high-performance cookware. Typically, this involves layers of stainless steel sandwiching a core of aluminum or copper. This layered approach is crucial for superior heat distribution. Unlike a single-ply stainless steel pan that can develop hot spots, this 5-ply design ensures heat spreads evenly across the entire cooking surface. This translates to more consistent cooking results, whether you're pan-frying delicate fish, simmering a rich sauce, or caramelizing onions. The responsiveness to temperature changes is also a significant benefit. When you turn down the heat, the pan cools down quickly, and when you turn it up, it heats up rapidly. This level of control is what separates professional-grade cookware from the everyday stuff. Another key feature is the "Stay Cool" handle. This is something that often gets overlooked but is a massive comfort and safety factor when cooking. The handle is meticulously crafted to remain relatively cool to the touch even when the pan is hot. It's attached with stainless steel rivets, which is a hallmark of durable, high-quality cookware designed for a lifetime of use. Those rivets are not just for show, they provide a strong, secure attachment that won't loosen over time, unlike some cheaper pans where handles can become wobbly. For those of you with modern kitchens, you'll be pleased to know this pan is induction cooktop compatible. The top layer is made of 430 stainless steel, which is magnetic and therefore works seamlessly with induction burners. This is essential if you have an induction stove, as not all stainless steel cookware is designed to work with it. But even if you don't have induction, this pan will perform beautifully on gas, electric, or ceramic cooktops. The fact that this pan is expertly made in Italy also speaks volumes about its craftsmanship and quality. Italy has a long and distinguished history in producing high-quality cookware, and made-in leverages that expertise. The attention to detail, the finish, and the overall feel of the pan all point to a product that is built to last. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the 5-ply construction is a major win for heat distribution and responsiveness. It's incredibly versatile for a wide range of cooking tasks. The Stay Cool handle is a thoughtful and practical design element. The build quality is exceptional, promising durability for years to come. Its induction compatibility makes it a great choice for a broad range of kitchens. And, of course, the fact that it's made in Italy adds to its premium appeal. However, there are a few cons to consider. For starters, the price point is higher than your average non-stick pan. This is an investment piece. Also, as with any stainless steel pan, it requires proper technique to prevent sticking. It's not a forgiving surface like non-stick, so preheating the pan correctly and using a little oil or fat are crucial. Cleaning can sometimes require a bit more elbow grease, especially if you've gotten some stubborn bits stuck on. It's not as simple as just wiping it clean. Finally, while the handle is designed to stay cool, it can still get warm, especially during extended cooking sessions, so using a pot holder is still a good idea. In conclusion, the made-in stainless steel sauté pan is a top-tier piece of cookware that justifies its premium price tag. If you are serious about cooking and looking for a durable, versatile, and high-performing pan that will stand the test of time, this is definitely one to consider. It delivers on its promise of professional quality heat control and is a joy to cook with once you master the nuances of stainless steel. Link in the description.